Hello everyone, I'm Michael. Welcome back to ToolboxReady HSE. Today we are focusing on a critical health and safety issue. We are diving into ergonomic strain within the food manufacturing sector, specifically looking at repetitive tasks and how to prevent damage. We are starting our sector-focused hazard series with food manufacturing. Today we are looking at ergonomic strain caused by repetitive tasks. We will cover how these injuries happen, where the risk shows up on the line, and what workers, supervisors, and employers can do to reduce strain and prevent long-term damage. So, what is ergonomic strain? It happens when you repeat movements long enough to overload your muscles, tendons, and joints. It builds up shift by shift. In Great Britain alone, over 500,000 workers are affected, resulting in over 7 million working days lost annually. Food manufacturing carries high risk because it combines 4 key conditions: repetition, force, awkward posture, and limited recovery time. Cold environments add further risk by reducing circulation. Combined, upper limb disorders and back pain make up over half of all health problems in this sector. Where is the risk highest? HSE identifies 5 main tasks: cutting and boning, packing, stacking, handling containers, and pushing wheeled racks. If your job involves these tasks, your risk is significantly higher. Supervisors must focus their risk assessments here. What do these tasks do to your body? The damage is gradual and easy to ignore at first, which is what makes it so dangerous. From carpal tunnel syndrome to chronic lower back pain, these injuries build over months and years. Watch for early signs like aching, numbness, or stiffness. Why do workers keep getting hurt? It's rarely a single mistake. It's how the work is set up, including line speed and lack of task rotation. Factors like incorrect workstation height and dull tools require extra force, accelerating the strain on your body every single cycle. You can take control right now. Keep movements close to your trunk, adjust your workstation height, and keep your wrists in a neutral position. Most importantly, report early signs of discomfort. It is not a sign of weakness. It is the fastest route back to full health. Supervisors must also act. This means rotating workers between different tasks that load different muscle groups and watching for signs of fatigue or wincing. Under UK law, employers have clear duties to assess and control MSD risks. Engineering controls, like adjustable workstations, must always come first. The bottom line is that ergonomic strain is not inevitable. It can be changed through better task design, tools, and supervision. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the ToolboxReady HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.